In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a simple Venn diagram in PowerPoint. Whether you're preparing a presentation for work, school, or just want to enhance your PowerPoint skills, a Venn diagram is a versatile tool that's easy to create and incredibly effective in visually organizing information. So, let's get started. First, to begin, you'll need to open PowerPoint on your computer. Ensure that it's the version you're comfortable working with. This process should be quite similar across most versions. Now that PowerPoint is open, navigate to the specific presentation where you'd like to include your Venn diagram. If you're starting fresh, creating a new slide is a good place to begin. Next, direct your attention to the top of the window where you'll find the ribbon with various tabs. We're going to focus on the Insert tab. Click on it and you'll see a variety of options for inserting different elements into your slide. For creating our Venn diagram, we're going to use a feature called Smart Art. Click on Smart Art and a new window will pop up. This tool is fantastic because it provides a wide range of diagrams that can help visually communicate your ideas. In the Smart Art window, you'll see categories on the left. We want to look for diagrams that show connections. To access more options, click on office.com. This will show a broader selection of available templates. Now scroll through these options until you find one labelled Interconnected Rings. This template is perfect for creating a Venn diagram because it represents overlapping circles, capable of showing shared and unique elements among different categories. Once you find it, select it and then click OK to insert it onto your slide. With the Smart Art now on your slide, you'll see the basic structure of the Venn diagram. You might want to adjust the rings to more closely capture what you need. Click and drag the rings to adjust their placement and size. This flexibility allows you to make sure the diagram clearly illustrates the relationship between the elements you want to display. And there you have it. You've successfully created a simple Venn diagram in PowerPoint, all using the Smart Art feature. This straightforward process only takes a few moments but adds a significant visual impact to your presentation. Remember, once your diagram is in place, personalize it with text, colors, and styles to suit your presentation's theme and ensure it aligns with the rest of your work. This concludes today's tutorial and I hope it makes your future presentations even more engaging and informative. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more easy to follow PowerPoint tips and tricks. Thanks for watching.